All right, how you guys feeling? You living good? You feeling good? Or are you just okay? How about okay good? Or living okay? That's our other company. I mean, there's Live Good, but there's Live Great and Live nah. All right, I'll be Corey. I know I need a haircut. I hear I need to get a haircut. All right, good to see you guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like. That's always cool. Um, Live Good so far is just kicking ass. Okay, if you're looking into joining, boy, you can't deny the products mixed with the people that believe in the products and the people that actually sell and use the products. It's kind of a win-win-win, and I don't really have to bullcrap you. All I can do is just tell you about the success, the numbers, and my personal experience. Okay, so if you're thinking about using the products, let's say you're just into bodybuilding or fitness or running, or you just want to lose some weight, I think, in my personal opinion, I feel better. Okay, I know when it comes down to claims or disclaimers about money and products, you got to kind of watch how you phrase it. But super greens and super reds is how I got kind of into the Live Good family. All right. I love to take them. I think it gives me energy. It definitely makes me feel better. CBD oil. I'm Mr. CBD. Boy, if you live in Salt Lake City, you'll probably know my name because all my friends want me to sell this to them in 7-Eleven parking lots, which don't look shady. Long-haired tattooed guy selling CBD oil at gas pump number 3. Call the cops. So CBD oil is great. All of our products are awesome. If you know the product's already great. If you don't, we have a brand new product. There's only 2,000 units, and what it is it is CBD oil cream, which, yeah, you guys know Ben Gay and certain products like that. Like, it's like a topical skin cream. Our new CBD oil cream has 2,000 milligrams of CBD oil. All right, and the way that it goes into your joints, your aches, your pains, man, we all get them. Even if you're 18, you've probably been called a pain in the ass. So if someone goes, hey, Billy, you're a pain in the ass, go, yeah, but you know what? My mom bought me some CBD cream. So rub it on your cheeks and that pain will go away. That's how you get out of getting in trouble, kids. Don't listen to me. That's not good advice. Sorry, mom and dad. So anyway, products are selling well. Right around 8 million. Holy moly, that's amazing. To sell about $8 million in products, and we're only on month number 3 as affiliates. So the sales are there, and believe it or not, they are on wholesale pricing to get 18 million. If this was like a traditional MLM, probably times that 50 to 60% higher. So our sales would be on par with 16 to 20 million if we were a traditional MLM where you have to buy products at retail in order to make a downline work. This company, it's based on wholesale products for a membership fee. It's only $9.95 a month. That's it. There's no auto pay, auto feed, contracts. If you like the products, use them for 30, 60, 90 days. So believe it or not, for 3 months, man, you can use up that CBD oil. Squirt it all over the place. I don't know, put it in your ear. See if your ear feels better, and that anxiety, it might be in this ear. I don't know. I know CBD oil, you're supposed to put a couple drops under your tongue and let it absorb in. But in 1 or 2 or 3 months, if it doesn't make an effect, and it might not make you feel better, get your money back. Okay, this company's like, look, you got to be happy with the products. And that's why I'm a real big fan of this company, is because of that. 3 months is plenty of time to know, do you like the vitamins, the magnesium, do you like the factor 4? Do you enjoy, protein powder? It's all high grade, by the way. This company isn't like the swap meat stuff or things that are kind of old on the shelf at $1. These are really high-end products. That's why when you see the products price, it's amazing. So go ahead and just do a free tour. All you got to do is just go to pleasewatchvideo.com or joincorey.com. Those are my domains. And it just leads you to a capture page where you put your name and email address in. You don't buy nothing. You just watch a 5-6 minute video of our CEO, Ben, and he'll have a little chit chat and show you the company, and then have free access. Wholesale, retail, this company hides nothing. There's no bait and switch. It's not like, oh, $9.95 a month, but what's the deal? Do I have to spend $1,000 later? And it's like, no. If you want to buy just one product get it in the mail. It's shipped out of Jupiter, Florida with the United States Post Office. It's tracked and everything. And when you get it, use it. And you know what? If you don't want it, get your money back. That way you're happy, and maybe try another product or not at all. But at least the company stands behind their products, and I dig that. So, all right, now the affiliate side is when you rub two $20 bills together. And I don't have any money right by. It's in the other office there. But you just take two $20 bills and you rub them like this for 2 hours. 4 hours. And then when they light on fire, go, holy shit. No, just get $40. That's all it costs to be an affiliate. No more, no less. One-time fee. Like I said, there's no auto responding, no auto pay. There's no bait and switch, which is awesome. Okay. So if you want to join and use the products, if you got $9.95, and if you got $40, wham, bam, you are a part of the team. And let's get you some training. Let's show you how to do certain things, because I want to help you get your downline to 2 people. All right. I know how to market and grow by getting people signed up underneath super wide. And that's great because I make $25. If you sign up, I get $25. That's awesome. You buy me lunch or dinner. That's how I kind of phrase all my videos. But I want you to get 2 people. Then the first thing I want you to think about is whoever signs up underneath you, I want you to want them to get 2 people, because this company has a matrix of 2 by 15. If you help everybody get 2 and they help people get 2, and I'll do everything I can to help you get to that level, by the time you get to 2 by 15, I know that doesn't sound that big based on $9.95 a month, but by the time you get to the 5th, 7th, 10th level, oh my God, you're talking thousands of people. All right. We're talking $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month based on $9.95. Okay. Not thousands of dollars of products. That's why this company has right around 300,000 affiliates worldwide, only 50,000 in America. That's 1,000 in each state. Blah. There's going to be 3,000 to 4,000 to 5,000 members in this company. So if you're watching this video, I'm producing this second week of May, 2023. Don't think it's saturated, okay? There is still $100 billion of sales going on with Avon, Tupperware, I don't know, Home Interior, Mary Kay. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of cool-ass companies out there nailing it. Herbalife, USANA. You guys have probably heard of these companies, but they're based off their products being retail, and you somewhat have to kind of buy them, your own product, because you're supposed to sell them, all right? You don't have to do any product at all to make money with this company. Just get $9.95 and just snoop around, check out all our products, use some if you'd like, get your money back. Bam, man, that's affordable. But for that $40 affiliate cost, I think that you're going to be happy with it, okay? What I'm doing over the next week is I'm using AI software. This is similar to like Google. Hey, Google, what's the best restaurant? Hey, Google, where's this? Hey, Google, search 1970 Hemi Cudas because I want to just look at muscle cars. I mean, the internet is mind-blowingly cool. Let's be honest. It's pretty badass. And it's addicting to do senseless stuff. Okay? All right. Oh, you know what? My phone just answered me because I said, hey, Google. If I yell, hey, Google, my phone like, oh, shit, I just did it again. Watch. Hey, Google. What's the best restaurant in Salt Lake City? AI technology. Isn't it scary? It's like, God dang it, man. You can talk to a computer like it's a human. So when I use AI technology, I'm just barely on my second week of getting to know it. I've got well over 3,000 leads already. And these are targeted people that are already an MLM. They might want an opportunity to buy health products like protein powder, maybe CBD oil because they want to feel better, anxiety, muscles, ache. But if you ask this AI software, find me this, it will find you that, okay? And they will give you the Facebook information, the LinkedIn, it will give you their cell phone, their messenger. It's everything that's public, okay? So don't think that this AI technology is going to go and give away your birth date along with your favorite color and what underwear you wore last night and all that stuff. This is all information that's just public. But with AI software, it's able to go into an Instagram account, Facebook, Anything that's on the internet, there's a lot of people that type in that they're looking for health or wellness type products. Great. They're going to love LiveGood just for buying products. And if they're already in an MLM or have been, usually they have probably done their best. And it's not that they failed. It's just that by design, it's really tough to sell retail products that are higher than even retail. How much shampoo can you buy that's $30 when you can get probably better shampoo at Walmart for like 9 or 8 or 6? So I don't blame people for kind of giving up on traditional MLM retail pricing where you got to buy your own product to pretend to sell it. Okay. I'll just be honest. It's been that way since I was born in the 60s there, amigo and amiga. But with LiveGood, I'm happy. I have a great time doing it. It's fun. It's therapeutic. My downline's growing nicely. I had a couple signups yesterday. I just had a pre-enroll about 10 minutes ago when I got back from a special occasion I was at. And what I do is I just like to do video like this, talk like you guys are just a part of the experience, sitting in a living room, maybe drinking a little soda pop. I'm always good for a drink. You guys want to come over? I'll buy you a nice cold one. And just take your time, make a decision. This company is not going anywhere except straight up. It's doing very well. It's organic. There's no hype. It's just good products for wholesale pricing. And if you think that you can just share, hey, look at this link, that's all you got to do, because the company kind of does the training. It takes everything. It does all the shipping, handling. It processes your profit. You get paid every Friday. Right around Thursday night into Friday is when I noticed my Wells Fargo account dumped some money in. And I think you can do this. If I didn't, I wouldn't make video like this. I would do my radio show and I produce car shows, and I do some other things that are kind of fun. And I'm not looking to retire. I actually enjoy working. It makes me feel, I guess, valuable some way. But if you do join, I just want to say hello to you. Give yourself a day. I just want to give you a day or two to kind of snoop around the website and check it out. Then I'll send you an email and just say, hey, this is what's working for me. This is what's working for the top leaders, because I rub elbows with all the top guys. All right. They're all nice people and women too. And they kind of share information, what helps them, because we're all kind of in each other's downline. This company's so new that you realize if you sign up with me, you're only three levels down from the number one guy out of 300,000. And boy, oh boy, does he give me some really nice education and stuff to use for free. And I'm going to do the same for you, because if his techniques help you, then let's do it. But you got to promise me, if people sign up underneath you, you got to help them too. Okay? I'm going to help you 13 to 14 levels deep, because when I become a diamond, it's a 2x15 matrix. I'm always the number one guy in my matrix, but then I got 14 levels below. So why not help 14 levels deep? Okay? That's just the way that this company's designed, and it's awesome. No one makes more money than the person at the top. This is not binary. Do you realize that if I have 14 levels of people below, that I can have someone on level number 13 with only 4 people on their number one line, but they might have somebody from the Ivory Coast, like South Africa, like this one guy who's got like 10,000 people underneath him. That's exciting. So if you do join, do it on a budget. Make sure you're happy with how much you spend. It's $40 plus $9.95. Okay, so if you have $50, you're in the company. And then if I can show you what I do with AI technology, and do your best, post, go to TikTok, go to Instagram, go to Facebook, make some cards that are business cards that just have your domain on it, like go to mywebsite.com. And if somebody, if you're on the street, just hand them out, and that'll work now and then. But boy, if you got a couple bucks and you can afford to just basically lease or get the software every 30 days, and if you want to hurry, the next week I can get it to you unlimited for $49. Okay? Because I put the money. I don't ever do bait and switch, and you might like what I say, and then all of a sudden you click a button to go purchase something, and it's like, oh shit, I can't afford it. With this company, you can be totally 100% successful without using anything except free technology. Obviously, you need a phone or a computer, but you can use Facebook, social media, any way. Because all you got to do is just get people to click a button and watch a video. That's all you're doing. 24 hours a day, that's all you need to do to make some really nice money with this company. Okay? But if you have a couple extra bucks, 49 bucks, what I recommend is just do it for a month or two. Let's get you about, I'd like to have everyone in my downline, and this is going to sound high, but I'm going to show you how to do it. I want each person to have 30,000 contacts, fresh contacts that you search, and we're going to help you do some certain keywords to get people that will love the health food, the health products, the wellness. They're already in it. And I hope that they've already done like Avon or Amway or any MLM, because when they see how this is structured, they're going to be like, oh my God, this is 99.9% easier than a traditional type of format like that. So just think about it. If you want to bookmark this video, or if you want to go ahead and just kick some tires, just go to joincorey.com. It's right below this video. And like I said, if you come aboard, just take your time, look around for a day or two, then I'm going to get a hold of you, and I'm just going to give you a bunch of links to check out. Everything is free except the AI software, which I'll recommend. But right now the company said that they'll go another week with the $49 special per month. That is not some hype to make you want to join, and it's not, is it called a scarcity? I call it just a scare tactic. I never do that. I can't stand when someone says, well, you better join before midnight or you're going to blow up. I don't do that. I want you to come aboard comfortable on the budget that you feel good with. And then we're going to make this fun. So if you can afford LiveGood and you're having fun, I'm really confident that you're going to be successful with this. I really am. So, all right, well, that's enough chit chat. I've got me a little drink to have, and I had one of my besties make me some chocolate chip cookies. So I'm the only guy that says, man, get healthy, protein and CBD oil and magnesium. And then I have a chocolate chip cookie when I'm telling you to get our amazing products. So, God, no wonder I'm not a spokesman. I want to be on LiveGood's website. Like, I want to point, and go, put protein powder, but then I want to have a chocolate chip cookie at the same time going, live good with the protein powder, but feel great with the chocolate chip cookie. That's my kind of company. That's kind of, you tell people something, but then you don't practice what you preach. That's pretty much what I do. So, all right, you guys have a good night, okay? Or good day or good afternoon, because I know you guys can watch this any time of the day, 24 hours a day. All right, joincorey.com. Take a ride, man. Check out our website and then get back with me. All right, take care, guys. See ya.